You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, air suspension, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.